This guide follows a confident tech enthusiast who breaks down common smartphone and laptop faults into clear, actionable steps. Viewers learn quick diagnostics, affordable tools, and swaps that genuinely save money on repairs. Safety stays central as the host demonstrates careful disassembly, static precautions, data backup, and risk awareness. The approach favors repurposing parts, smart discounts, and compatible replacements to stretch any repair budget. By the end, viewers gain practical DIY instincts and the confidence to tackle future fixes without fear or waste.